How did Roman aqueduct channels carry water? Imagine a city where water flows effortlessly from distant springs to fountains, baths, and homes. How did the Romans make this happen? Let's find out. Roman aqueduct channels carried water mainly by using gravity to move it from higher places like springs or rivers down to the city. The engineers designed the channels with a very slight downward slope, usually between 0.03% and 0.2%. That means the water moved slowly but steadily, enough to keep flowing without stopping or eroding the channel walls. They carefully kept this gentle slope over many miles, sometimes up to 50 or 60 miles, so the water would reach the city without losing speed. Most of the channels were buried underground, following the natural shape of the land. When they faced hills or valleys, the Romans built tunnels through ridges or used bridges and arches to carry the water across low areas. These bridges, called viaducts, could stretch 400s of meters and were built with stone or brick. For deep valleys, they sometimes used inverted siphons. These were pipes made of lead or ceramic that let water flow down one side of the valley and then back up the other side, under pressure, as long as the outlet was lower than the source. The channels were lined with waterproof cement to prevent leaks, and their insides were kept very smooth. This helped the water flow faster and reduced buildup of debris. Sometimes, sedimentation tanks were placed along the route to catch dirt and prevent clogging. Maintenance crews regularly cleaned the channels to remove mineral deposits like calcium that could cause blockages. At the end of the route, the water entered large storage tanks called castella aquae. From these tanks, smaller pipes made of lead carried water into public fountains, baths, latrines, and even private homes. The entire system was controlled by sluices and stopcocks, which allowed engineers to regulate how much water was flowing and where it went. In essence, the Romans used gravity, precise engineering, and durable materials to keep water moving smoothly through their aqueduct channels. They built tunnels, bridges, and siphons to handle the terrain, making sure water arrived clean and steady. This clever system was a true marvel of architecture and engineering, showing how they mastered the art of moving water across long distances to support city life and public health.